Ladies and gentlemen, it's your boy, Ryan Dins. And on today's episode, we're gonna talk about the stock that everyone's talking about right now, Pfizer. Word is they have a vaccine coming. Is it gonna go up or is it gonna go down? Well, stay tuned, because I got the answers. Woo! Pfizer is the biopharmaceutical company that recently discovered a cure for COVID, or so they say. There's been mixed tests. Apparently 4 people got Bell's palsy in their face, which paralyzes the face. With that being said, there was over 20,000 people tested. 2 died and 4 got Bell's palsy. There was also a placebo test where 4 people died, which a placebo test is basically they give half the people the vaccine and half the people fake vaccine just to see what numbers they come up with. There's a vaccine race. Pfizer's been doing pretty good. Pfizer recently hit its 52-week high of 43 a couple weeks ago, and now it is around 37, 38, depending on when you're checking this video. But it did dip a little. It dipped a little bit over 10%. Everyone's saying, why is it dropping? And this recent dip from 43 to 37 has been one of those buy the rumor, sell the news type of situations. What happened was everyone was talking about Pfizer getting a vaccine. Because of that rumor, it went up. And then when they did get a vaccine, everyone sold and took profits. It's very common. They call it the buy the rumor, sell the news. They say don't hold it after the news is already broken because that's when it'll drop. That's exactly what happened to Pfizer. It is a good long-term stock. It's got a nice dividend. It's got a PE ratio of about 24. So I think it's a good buy right now of long-term. If you're, short-term trader or an options trader, you don't want to put a call on this for the next month because it could dip a little more, it could be funky, but it's the kind of stock that I think is going to be over 50 in a few years. So you might as well buy it and continue to collect the dividends. I don't recommend you would buy this for a short-term trade because it's very, we don't know where this is going. A different vaccine company could come up, and then Pfizer could go in the back burner. With my strategy, and the way my strategy works, is I buy a little bit each week, and then every week I buy a little bit more. I'm in this for 10, 20 years. I'm not a short-term trader. When I look at a company like Pfizer, I believe it's gonna be higher in a few years, so I don't really care what happens in the next 3 months. If it drops another 10%, I'll just buy more. So that's why I personally think this is a great long-term buy, but I don't think it is the best very short-term buy. I think there's better deals out there if you're just trying to make a quick buck in the next month. There's other pharmaceutical companies out there. I like AbbVie. I like Bristol Myers Squibb. So, diversify. You never know who's going to come with the vaccine. I think biopharmaceuticals is going to be hot for the next few years. I really do. The government is involved making sure everyone gets these vaccines. Vaccines going to be forced on everyone, whether you like it or not. So somebody's going to be making money from this. You might as well get some of the bag. That's it for this week. Make sure you hit the subscribe button and see you next week.